This time I 3D printed some mechanical models, some useful and some just fun to play with. Almost fully 3D printed pin Tumbler Lock model demonstrates how real locks work. It includes a functional mechanism with pins and comes with basic lock picking tools. It can be used to learn lock mechanics and practicing picking techniques. I didn't have correct size springs, I did cut them shorter but they are not exactly in same length. It can affect lock picking and it seems that happened to me. Also it could be my bad lock picking skills. Fuzzy skin hides the layer lines quite well and it looks great. Overall great print. The design is fully 3D printed and easy to assemble. I tested springs printed with different filaments including PLA, PTG and ABS, and their performance appears to be similar. Durability may vary over time, but that remains to be seen. The springs are also very easy to replace, the mechanism spins smoothly and it stops as soon as you release the trigger. This is great solution when you don't have enough space to roll traditional dice. This model can be somewhat tricky to print. You need good presentation, it is clever double face optical illusion 3D print. Use it as a satisfying fidget toy or scale it up to turn it into a wall decoration. The connections are quite small, so handle it carefully to avoid breaking them. The print turned out great. It looks good and functions well. Assembly, however, is quite challenging, especially since clear instructions are lacking. Some of the tolerances are very tight, which can make fitting parts together difficult. I tried using my 3D printer bed spring, but it didn't fit. I ended up using the V2 trigger as I couldn't get the first version to work. The turret movement both up and down and left to right works smoothly. The firing mechanism performs very well, and the added recoil makes it even more satisfying. I have achieved a maximum shooting range about 3 meters, which is more than enough for a model of this size. Overall, it's great 3D printed toy or display piece that's definitely worth the time and filament. Printing went smoothly, the core pieces were a bit difficult to separate at first. Since using sharp tools isn't recommended, I gently used a hammer to loosen them. Once a few pieces came free, the rest were much easier to separate by hand. You can also print a cap and use it as a pencil case or a fidget toy. As a pencil case, well, let's just say there are better options, but as a fidget toy, definitely fun, at least for some time. Red filament might not be the best choice, but I was running low on yellow. It printed without any issues, and the supports were easy to remove. Everything works smoothly, the skull design looks great on its own, but printed with 3-color silk filament, it really stands out. Before we jump back into the prints, I want to thank PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Most people know them for their professional PCB prototyping and assembly, but they also offer a wide range of manufacturing services like CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and even 3D printing. So if you want to bring your design to life, whether it's electronics, custom enclosure, or parts you can't easily print at home, PCBWay is a great option. This is fully 3D printed mechanical hand, powered entirely by clever engineering, no electronics required or any extra hardware. It uses a combination of gears to transfer motion smoothly and efficiently. Each control section is separated, allowing independent movement. I use PTG filament to print it. Gears are moving smoothly even without the grease. Assembly takes some time, but it's not difficult, the instructions are easy to follow. At first the packets didn't align correctly, but this was due to an alignment mistake during assembly. They actually align perfectly. It's one of the coolest mechanical 3D prints, great design and fun to play with. Controls plate has labels on it and there are added options to lock the cranks. I didn't encounter any issue while printing, but proper bed leveling is important, otherwise you may run into problems. Good bed adhesion is also essential for a successful print. Assembly is simple and doesn't require any glue or additional hardware. It's easy to use and can even be a helpful tool for learning multiplication. The size is ideal for a use at home, but you can also print smaller, more portable version. That's it for this video, thanks for watching.